Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we are going to solve more on DP problems and we are obviously solving MCM type DP problem. Let's try to solve this problem. Uh, should come. Yeah, so hope you can see the problem. Let's try to code this problem, okay? First, balloons. You are given n balloons. Index 0 to n minus 1. Each balloon is printed with a number on it presenting array nums. You are asked to burst all the balloons. If the burst of ith balloon, you will get this much points. If I minus 1 and I plus 1 goes out of bound of the array, treat it as balloon with one printed on it. Return maximum points you can collect by bursting balloons wisely. Like you have to burst balloon wisely. Got it. So in this problem, what I'm thinking is that I have to burst balloons. Okay, if I burst this balloon, I'll get the coins as 3 into 1 into 5. If I burst this balloon, I'll get, if I've already bursted, so 3, 5 and 8. And if I have 8 as my balloon, then 5 is already 3 and 1, I think, and then 3 like this. And we have to get the maximum points uh, by bursting the balloons wisely, and we have to burst every balloons. Got it, got it. Let's try to write this. This problem, obviously, if it is out of bound, then it is, we have to put one. Just put one in the front and back. If you put one, the front and the back, we have enlarged n plus 2 size, obviously, no. And I, let's say n is the previous indexes. Now let us burn at, sorry, burst at any point. We can burst at any point, obviously. We burst at, let's say, 1, burst at 1, or let's say, where? 1, let's say 1. What is the number of points you can get? 3, 1 to 5. Hmm. And then get the maximum profit. Okay. The five plus five is what?
तुम्हारी गैर हाजिरी अब करती कि मैंने चाय बनाई सुन नहीं अंदर चलो तुम अच्छा ठीक तो फिर भी वो स्वाद नहीं
Yeah. So what should you do? The coins would be like 3 into 1 into 5, and then burst 5, then 3 into 5, 5 into 8, then let's say burst 3, 3 into 1 into 8, and 8 could be 3 into 1 into 1. Okay, we can burst from I to N, and the coins we are going to get, let's say burst 1 now. The burst 1, we get the coins as 3 into 1 into 5. Oh, no, no, no. Obviously, this is a DB problem, but like up to burst here, 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 here. And the coins we have to add, but there is a problem. Obviously, we're gonna add it by recursively calling it. But how are we going to remove that part which is already bursted? This is the stuff I need to understand. Okay? Yeah, I was thinking that only. Dummy, obviously, I put that thing. Then, okay, K is here. So burst this thing, get the profit. K minus 1, K plus 1, minus 1, K plus 1. Yeah, so this is the term, obviously. And there is also 1. Sure. Okay. Yeah. Minus 1 plus 1. Remember, 1, 5, and 7 will become adjacent after 1 and 8 are burst. Yeah, true. If 1 and 8 are burst, then 7. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, sure. Come again to return that stuff. Add that stuff. Then what is done? 1 5 1 1 2 5. If one is done, then right part would occur. Right part will give 8. Okay. Acha. Yeah, you would always obviously post it. Then that thing stuff. Got it. Yeah, yeah. What is this? What? This much is not required. But I understood. Understood. I've understood what happening. So if you see the this is look like this, okay? Don't think of this. Just yeah, so remove them. Break at, let's say I break at I plus 1, that is 2. And then if it is break at this point, then we'll get something like this 1 3 and 5 8 1. There is one, but then let's burst at 1. Okay, burst at 8 5. There is a one where is hidden. There is 8 1 and 5, but it's hidden. Okay, you will get you will get like 8 into 5 into 5. Wait, sorry, will not come because there is one only. Yeah, this is I and this is J. Let's say J or J, I call it J. So minus 1 is 1 divided by a plus 1 is 1. Yes. Obviously, then break at that point, and we'll get like this 5 8 stuff. Here, I is J is hmm 5 1 8. I think base case does help. Then return, obviously, it is bursted, so it would get 1 8 and 1, and obviously for hours the first left part will be occurred, and it will be like 1 1 1. This is why I will show. I will show. And here is it INJ. So you will be like 3 into 1 1. So this is like stuff, and when you come back here, you will see that 3 is bursted. Okay, here 5 is also bursted, 8 is also bursted. So we are left with this. Okay, this is the stuff. Let me show you. Okay, this is the stuff. Oh, I need to change the yeah. Yep. Okay, now see. You can see this. This was the stuff we have to solve. And we put 1 and 1 at both the ends. Yeah, 1 and 1 at both the ends. Now we break at, let's say, value 1, that is after 3, which is k, let's say 2. Okay, if we have broke at that point, then left part would be like v1 and 581. Here is 1, think of that, because we are not breaking it actually, just solving it. Then ij is there. Formula we chose is that uh, formula we chose is obviously I minus 1 and j plus 1, obviously. And we got the answer. Then right word would be occurring. Then let's say break at any point you wish. Let's say break at 8 point. Then it would be like ij would be there and I minus 1, j minus 1, and here would be like I minus 1, j plus 1. Getting it? Burst it. So you will get the answer I minus 1, j plus 1. That's why it is let's say we are doing I minus 1 and j plus 1, not doing k minus 1 and k plus 1. Why? Because we do k minus 1 and k plus 1, it would be like, then you have to pass nums as a smaller version of that. Like you have to burst it down. It would not be left. It would not be present if you burst that balloon. It would not be present. The nums would be different. But here, do I minus 1 k plus 1 j plus 1. We do not burst at that position. We first go to the top to bottom. Like bottom is the where we get I and j as equal. Then we get the base case, and it would be I minus 1 j plus 1 multiplied with that, and we get the answer and get the maximum obviously at the end. So let's try to code this fast because we have understood what the real thing we are going to do. Now we'll have n. Yeah, similar to the previous problem we have solved, like this problem, cost to cut the stick. I'll show you previous problems. We have done the same stuff, this stuff, but you have also done something else that their logic was different, but here the logic is also different. but it's not possible. It's the best case of this I greater than j. What is this function will give us? This function will give us the maximum cost. It's the cost. The cost will be 0 if I is greater than j. Yeah, equal to will occur, but if I is less greater than j, it will not occur. So base case, in writing base case, we think of smallest valid or maximum invalid input. We thought about maximum invalid input. Pretty much okay. We need a loop which will start from I and up to, let's say, j, because it can break at any point. We need what? Maximum. We need maximum, so we will maximum. Okay, we need minimum, which will be int min. 22 minutes. So now what? Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. So, mhm. So int points we are going to get if you break at, let's say, I, then something else would be nums of I minus 1 multiplied with nums of k and nums of oh j plus 1 plus solve for nums I k minus 1 and solve for nums I will be k plus 1 and j is there. Then oh, oh, oh. Wait. Mini is max of coins and mini return mini. Okay. Now we are going to memorize it. Yeah. Now tabulate it obviously. Can tabulate it pretty simply. Do we need two? Yeah, yeah. So make it zero. Best case. Like single. So I is going from 0 to n. So in this problem, it will go from n to 0. J is from n minus 1 to. Obviously not 0, it would be 1. And j would be from 1 to n. Now the best case is that if I is greater than j, continue. No. Uh, so mini is int min. Solve not dp of I and k minus 1. Here also dp of k plus 1. And okay, uh, not need to return anything, just save it. And then to return T or dp in dp. Yeah. So dp of uh, where would be found? I would be like 1, j would be like N. Let's see. Yeah, it is a better solution. Hopefully, you have understood my solving of this problem and like, share this channel, video, and see more of my videos. Bye.